there is an anti-BJP vote in certain pockets of Goa, where it is heavily saturated. त्या जाग्याचेर सद्याक तुम्ही कॅन्डिडेट आसात तुमगे प्रचार थंय नेटान चल्ला आनी थंय तुगेले बाकीचे पक्ष प्रचार करतात. देर इज अ लार्ज चंक रेस्ट ऑफ गोवा जंय प्रो BJP वोट इज सॅच्युरेटेड मोर, इवन इफ यू टेक द लोकसभा इलेक्शन एंड एवरीथिंग. त्या जाग्यार तुमचो प्रचार सध्या वीक दिसता. डोंट यू थिंक this was a good opportunity to expand your wings in all these constituencies rather than other, for example, Bardez किंवा some pockets of Tiswadi किंवा सालसेत हाज्या भायर वचून जी इम्प्रिंट तयार जावपाक जाय ती जाल्या.
See, Congress party on its own is fighting on 36 places. आमचो alliance partner Goa Forward is fighting on 9 places. दोन जाग्याचेर there are dual candidates, so 43 places we are fighting as an alliance partners. 7 जाग्याचेर we are supporting independent candidates where strategically, like place like Dharbandora, we had declared a candidate, but then conscious call with the bloc, with the candidate, we took a call not to file that candidate because we are supporting an independent candidate there. As you rightly said ki jo आज ग्राउंडाचेर anti-BJP, anti-corruption, whatever is नाशाडी जी चल्ला तो anti vote पे आसा न्ही, that you will see in this election and you will be surprised. There are a lot of dark horses which you will probably be
from
surprised.
the pro BJP areas.
100%. तू हांव तुका example दिता. हरमल घे, मोर्जे घे, तुगेले सुकूर घे, टेक लातंबारसे, टेक कोलवाळे. These are places which are
हे जाग्याचेर ते प्रचंड मताधिक्यान BJP जिखयतात आणि तुम्ही होपा म्हणटा तुमी.
This is, you will see this election, this RGP election, that how the people are voting. Places like Boring, places like Dharbandora.
70tली मतदारसंघाची बी नाव घेतलं ना.
Usgaon Ganje, you see, he's going to get a shock of his life.
तेही सांगता तुम्ही आता.
Usgaon Ganje is going to be a surprise package for him. So ह्या इलेक्शनाक ZP इलेक्शनाक तू जर पळयत जाल्यार स्ट्रॅटेजिकली वी हॅव
पेडणे होपा तुमकां.
तू तोरशां पळय कितें जावपाचें आहा तें, यू वील कम टू नो. सो एज आय टोल्ड यू की सर्टन प्लेसीस you know where anti-BJP, as a political strategy we are supporting independent at certain places which will give a shock to BJP.